Hello penny pinchers, my name is Dehan and welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the top 10 penny stocks that are currently trading under 10 cents per share. Now, 9 of them are actually trading under a dime, under 5 cents per share, but since one of them is a little bit higher, we had to make it a top 10 cents. So, before we get into this list, guys, make sure that you know that these are very high risk, high reward type of penny stocks, and this is just to show you a list of 10 penny stocks that are very, very cheap. This does not mean that you should be trading any of these penny stocks because they're very, very dangerous. They can go up, they can go down very quickly, and the volume is usually very low on them, which can cause, high volatility. And before investing into any of these, you definitely want to talk to your financial advisor and make sure you know what you are doing. If you don't know what you're doing, you can use Webull and do some paper trading on there. So the first penny stock is going to be American Nortel Communications, and it's going to be ticker symbol ARTM. So ARTM is currently trading at around 0.089, so it's at around 9 cents per share almost, and this is the one that is higher than 5 cents. All the other ones are even cheaper. So let's take a look. Now, we're not going to be doing a full in-depth video on these. We're just going to be looking at them, looking at some volume, market cap, and what the company does. So this is what we usually do with these type of companies because there's no fundamentals to look at, really. So right here, if we take a look, this one, volume on Friday was around 109,000 shares traded. So you can see volume is very, very low. Market cap is only 2.47 million, so it doesn't take much to move this penny stock. It can, go up or down very, very quickly. Now, if we take a look down here, what the business is, so this is going to be a company that engages in providing telecommunication services. It offers long-distance telephone services as a reseller in combination with additional related services to small business and residential customers within the U.S. and the international markets. As a reseller, it purchases long-distance time from Sprint. Now, this company is charged for the time it uses beyond certain minimum requirements and in turn charges its customers a certain amount per minute. So, as you can see, this one is very, very low market cap, very low volume, so very dangerous. Like I said, guys, these are going to be very, very high volatility, and they're going to be, on the exchange OTCPK right here, if you take a look. So OTC Pink. So yeah, so that's going to be the first penny stock trading under 10 cents per share on this list. So guys, if you enjoyed this type of content, go ahead and smash that like button for me. On the previous video we had like this, we got over 10,000 views with 436 likes. Can we get 300 plus likes on this video? Go ahead and smash that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel and turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. Leave a comment below. What penny stocks are you trading right now? And have you ever traded these cheap penny stocks in your life? Also, if you guys want to sign up for Webull and do some paper trading with these penny stocks, links are going to be in the description. Get your 2 free stocks valued at up to $1,800. And as always, if you guys want to get into our Discord and get, alerts on penny stocks live as they happen, join our Patreon to be eligible to get into the Discord. Now we're going to be getting into the second penny stock on this list that's trading under 10 cents. It's going to be Gourmet Provisions International, ticker symbol GMPR. So this one right here, if we take a look, this one is under the ticker symbol GMPR. Like we said, this one on Friday was up about 11%, and it's currently trading at around 5 cents per share, so 0.0544. And this one volume had about 3.86 million shares traded. Market cap very, very low, actually very dangerous for this company actually to be even trading. 12,840, so very, very low right there if you take a look. This stock, it was trading at around 14 cents not too long ago, maybe a few weeks ago. So, it was up a lot further than it was now, but now it's just dropping down heavily. So right now, if we take a look right here, it's going to be Gourmet Provisions International Corp, formerly known as the Unique Foods Group, franchise pizza and sub restaurants throughout the United States. The primary business activities of the company are franchises, conversions, and ownership and operation of pizza and sub shops. It also offers an express franchise targeting carts, kiosks, and retail franchises for retailers. In addition, the company, through its wholly owned subsidiaries, has expanded and just diversified into the other food lines as well. So this one, very, very low. Like we said, that market cap is so dangerous right there. I don't even know if that's actually the correct market cap for this company, but if it is, that is very dangerous, and I would keep away from this penny stock, obviously. But like we said, I'm just showing you guys a list of 10 penny stocks that are currently trading under 10 cents, and it's up to you to go ahead and take a look and research these companies and see if you think they're actually good companies for the long term, or if they're good companies to be trading at all, or if they're not. Third penny stock on this list is going to be Pharmagreen Biotech, and it's going to be ticker symbol PHBI. So PHBI right here, it was down about 26% on Friday, currently trading at around 2 cents, so 0.0285 cents per share. This one was up about, it was at around 7 cents actually at one point last week or 2 weeks ago. So it was actually trading a lot higher than it is right now, but we've seen it continue to drop on lower and lower. Volume right here, 9.93 million shares traded on Friday with a market cap at around 8.96 million. So, a lot better compared to the previous company that we just looked at. The previous company looked horrible, not even close to any market cap at all. So this company right here, let's take a look what they do. So this is going to be a biotech science company with specialized products and services in the cannabis industry. The company plans to produce and sell tissue culture plantlets and cannabis oil. So this is actually a hot industry right now. If you guys are taking a look, especially with Biden being the president, a lot of these cannabis Mary Jane companies are booming because there's going to be a lot of hype around them, especially if we start to federally make them legal, and things are going to be booming if that happens, because if it's illegal, that means a lot more companies are going to be able to make more profit, and people are going to be able to buy and sell across state lines, etc., etc. So this is actually one to keep on your radar and see what happens in the future once it all becomes legalized in the United States, if that happens at any point. The fourth penny stock on our list that's trading under 10 cents is going to be United American Petroleum, ticker symbol UAPC. So UAPC was down about 8.5% on Friday. Currently, it is trading at about 6, almost 7 cents, so about 0.0683. And the volume on this one was at around 4.81 million shares traded, and the market cap was at around 21.98 million. Pretty decent market cap actually for a company like this. Now, this one has been fluctuating and continuously going up and down throughout the month, but we can see, it was down at around 2 cents, at the beginning of the month, and then it went all the way to about 10 cents. So that's about a 500% gain right there, actually, for anybody that got in on that. And now, obviously, it's pulled back down. Now, if we take a look at this company, this is going to be an energy service provider. The company is engaged in the acquisition, exploration, development, and production of oil and gas properties. Its principal business is the acquisition of leasehold interest in petroleum and natural gas rights, either direct or indirectly, and the exploitation and development of properties subject to these leases. So if you guys are interested in gas companies, this is actually one to keep on your radar, especially since it's so cheap, and obviously it's also traded on the OTC Pink, OTCPK. So another one to add to your list to see what is going on with it. All right, guys, if you guys made it this far into the video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification, smash that like button like we said. The fifth penny stock on this list is going to be Poverty Dignified. It's going to be a ticker symbol PVDG. If we take a look at PVDG right here, this one has been on an uptrend actually for the past month or so. It was trading at around 1 cent, a little bit less than a cent per share. Now it's currently trading at around 8 cents per share, so it's at 0.08. It was down about 15% on Friday. It's been on a trend up, like we said. It was up about 900% or so for the month. Now, volume, 59.64 million shares traded. Market cap, 14 million. So, pretty decent market cap right there. So this one right here is a diversified company. The company is engaged in producing, marketing, and sales of solar ovens and accessories. So solar, we like to see solar, right? So this one, obviously, like we said, volume, very, decent volume. Market cap is okay. But another one definitely to keep on your radar, as we can see here, and, take a look at the 3-month chart. Once again, it was trading at, fractions of a penny, and it's just been on a trend up in the past 2 or 3 months, especially in the month of February. So it's continuing to go on up. The sixth penny stock on our list that is currently trading under 10 cents is going to be Interscope Hearing Technologies, ticker symbol INND. INND is currently trading at around 0.0278 cents, which is about 2 cents, almost 3 cents. It is up about 11.65% on Friday. Now we can see here in the past month, it's went from about less than a cent all the way to about 6 cents and then pulled back down to about 3 cents. So it's made some decent gains. Volume on this one, 154.68 million shares traded, decent volume. Market cap, 96 million. So 96 million for the market cap is actually pretty decent. It's almost at 100 million market cap. So it means that, it has a little bit more value compared to some of the other ones that we've talked about on this list. Now, this one is a manufacturer and a DTC distributor, retailer of FDA registered hearing aids, personal sound amplifier products, hearing-related treatment therapies, doctor-formulated dietary hearing supplement, and proprietary CDB oil for treating tinnitus. We've actually talked about this company in the past, guys, if you guys remember. So this also owns and operates audiological and retail hearing device clinics and plans to continue to open and acquire additional clinics. So this company is actually very interesting, so pretty much for hearing. It's a very interesting company, in my opinion, that I think could definitely grow in the future. So this one is one I would do some research on, in my opinion, personally, and I might do some research on to see what the company actually does, how it's looking, does it actually have any profits or what's going on with this company in the past, few years, how it's working, and what the plans are actually with Interscope Hearing Technologies for the future. Do they plan to grow, or what's going on with this company? Since it is a very small company right now, there could be some potential in this one. Definitely one I'm going to do some research on. Seventh penny stock on our list for under 10 cents is going to be Mountain Energy. So Mountain Energy, ticker symbol MTEI. So MTEI was up about 10% on Friday. It was currently trading at around 0.0275 cents, so about 2 cents, almost 3 cents per share. If we take a look, volume was at around 118,000 shares traded. They do not have a market cap here, which is kind of strange. But if we take a look here on their chart for the past 3 months, it was trading down here for, under a penny, fractions of a penny, went all the way up to about 4 cents per share. Then we made a little bit of a pullback. Now with this one, there is no market cap and there's no description really what even the company does. So this is definitely another one that I wouldn't even, consider looking at or trading, because it's very, very dangerous. It's just a beginner company, I guess you could say. So these are going to be the ones that are very, very dangerous, and ones that I just wouldn't, stick my hands on, because you never know what's going to happen with the company. I like to trade companies that are higher market cap, especially, a few million market cap, not these ones that are very low, like the two we've talked about so far in this video. But definitely ones to keep an eye out on, because you never know what's going to happen in the future, and potentially something could happen with the company where it grows and grows. The next one on our list is going to be Viper Networks. This one is going to be ticker symbol VPER. VPER was down about 12% on Friday, currently trading at around 0.0168 cents, so about 1 penny, almost a penny and a little bit over a penny and a half. Volume on this one, 162.29 million shares traded. We can see here it was under a penny, and it went all the way to about 6 cents, so about a 600% gain right there that we saw throughout the month. Then we saw a pullback here going throughout the next few weeks. Now with this one, let's take a look what the company does. So this is going to be an Indian-based company, operates in LED lighting products. It is primarily involved in the manufacturing and distribution of LED lights to provide superior turnkey LED lighting solutions for metropolitan areas, streets and highways, parking lots, and warehouses, facilities anywhere. Now further, it also offers intelligent lighting solutions with the camera, sensor, and wireless technologies as well. The company derives most of the revenue from sales of the LED products, so definitely one that has some potential with the LED lights. I mean, we're always going to need lights, but you never know what's going to happen in the future. We could have some type of new invention that could be better than what we have right now on the streets, and just in general for cameras and et cetera, et cetera. So just another one to keep an eye out on, and do your own research, see what happens with VPER. Number 9 on the list is going to be Utilocraft Aerospace Industries. This one sounds interesting just by the name that I'm looking at right now, before even taking a look at it. Ticker symbol UITA. So let's take a look at UITA. Wow. Okay, so this one is trading at around 0.016. So it's around a penny and a half. It was up about 60% on Friday, so it's trading at a penny, went up a little bit. So we can see with this one, it was here at highs of about 4 cents per share, made a pullback, came back down. If we take a look at the volume, very low volume, only about 2 million shares traded on this one. If we take a look at what the company does, it's focusing its business plan development efforts to actively seeking new strategic aerospace products for development related to the enhancement of the freight feeder aircraft in the air cargo market worldwide. So it's interesting company. I mean, it's trying to do stuff with the aerospace, which is very interesting, and a growing business, I guess you could say, especially since, we're even trying to go to space and do different things. I mean, you guys know Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and just, NASA, obviously. So this is a hot, business that you could definitely be looking forward to in the future. So if this company was to, produce something or figure something out that nobody else has, it could have some potential in the future, right? And last but not least, the number 10 penny stock on our list that is currently trading under 10 cents is going to be Social Life Network. So this company, ticker symbol WDLF. So WDLF was down about 1.95% on Friday, currently trading at around 2 cents per share, so 0.0201. Volume on this one, 232.87 million shares traded on Friday. And if we take a look at the market cap, 69.47 million market cap, decent market cap. This is what we like to see. We like to see market cap being, 50 million plus. That way we can see that there's some type of, stuff going on with the company. So this one was trading at around 0.005, so under a cent. Went all the way to about 0.035, so about 3.5 cents. So it made some decent gains, pulled back down to about 2 cents per share right now that we're looking at. If we take a look at this one, it's going to be it engages in free-to-use social websites and marketing apps designed to accelerate the growth of the cannabis industry. Once again, it allows cannabis-related business professionals to search and connect with other business professionals The platform is a cloud-based social network and e-commerce system that can be accessed by a web browser or mobile application that allows end users to socially connect with one another and their customers to market and advertise their products and services. So this one is definitely interesting. So we've talked about all these penny stocks, 10 of them actually, and I've said about 2 or 3 of them are very interesting to me because they have potential for the future with what the future is holding. So obviously, if the cannabis industry becomes legal and legalized in the United States, this is a company that could definitely benefit. There's social, it's a social networking platform pretty much. So people can connect with each other, with their customers, and that's something we're definitely going to need, obviously, online to be able to connect with each other about this industry. So definitely a company that is interesting, that could have some growth if obviously we go through that stage and we get legalized throughout the United States and so on and so on. So this one definitely an interesting one, and in my opinion, obviously, to look at. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed these 10 penny stocks that are trading under 10 cents right now. Like I said, these are just to be showing you guys that there are penny stocks that are very, very cheap. Am I saying you should be trading these? No, I'm definitely saying you should not be trading these because they're very, very dangerous, high volatility. Most of these market caps are very, very low, and just some of them are even sketchy, I guess you could say. So before investing into any of these, you definitely want to speak to your financial advisor. I'm not a financial advisor, so speak to your financial advisor, do your own research, make sure that your financial advisor allows you or thinks that these companies are, decent. Make sure that you know what you're doing before investing into any of these companies. If you guys do want some paper trading, sign up with Webull in the link in the description. Get your 2 free stocks when you sign up today. And as always, guys, if you guys want to get alerts on penny stocks that we're watching live as they happen every single day, join our Patreon. That way you get access to our Discord. As always, smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification, leave a comment below what penny stocks are you trading. Have you ever traded these cheap penny stocks or not? And also, if you guys enjoyed, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.